Hey everyone, and welcome to the Digital Shield. This is a brand new cybersecurity course from us here at Bankai Developer. And look, over the next few sessions, we're going to go on a journey together. We're going to take you from being just another user on the internet to someone who is a truly formidable online presence. So yeah, let's just jump right in. Okay, so our journey starts in a place we call the jungle. I know, it sounds a little dramatic, right? But honestly, it's the best way to think about the digital world. It's not some safe, manicured park. Nope. It's wild, it's unpredictable, and trust me, it is absolutely full of predators. So let me ask you something. Do you actually feel safe online? Maybe you've got one of those password managers that creates these super long, crazy passwords, and you've probably got some fancy antivirus software running, but does that really make you bulletproof? A lot of people think so, and that belief, well, it's dangerously wrong. Because here's the hard truth. That feeling of safety, it's pretty much an illusion. That whole set it and forget it mindset when it comes to security is exactly what the bad guys are hoping for. So the very first thing we're going to do together is change that passive mindset. So what do I mean by the jungle? Well, think of it like this. It's the entire digital world, and in it, there are these automated predators, bots, that are just constantly 24/7 hunting for any weakness they can find. The thing is, they're not targeting you specifically. They're targeting everyone, all the time. And what are they after? Your most valuable stuff, your data, your identity, and of course, your money. But why is the digital world just so dangerous? It's easy to picture some hacker in a hoodie, right? But that's not the whole story. The real root of the problem is something way more fundamental to how all our tech is built. The real enemy here is complexity. Yeah, there's this golden rule in cybersecurity, and I really want you to burn this into your brain for this entire series. It's simple. Complexity is the enemy of security. Think about it. The more moving parts something has, the more places there are for things to go wrong. And let's be honest, modern tech is just mind-bogglingly complex. And this really breaks it down for you. First off, the software we use every day, it has millions of lines of code. It's massive. And with more code, you're just guaranteed to have more bugs. It's a statistical certainty. Now, hackers, they're experts, absolute specialists at finding and exploiting those tiny little bugs. So what does that mean for us? The point here isn't to make you paranoid, it's to get you prepared. And that's where this course comes in. This is the preparation. Think of this as your roadmap, a clear path right through all that complexity. We've built this to give you the exact skills you need to actually protect yourself. So here's the game plan. We're going to start with step 1, the foundation. You'll actually learn the language of the internet. Then we'll move to the human element, because a lot of the time, people are the real targets. After that, we'll lock down your connection with network security. Think VPNs and firewalls. Then we'll get into the nitty-gritty of web and app attacks to see how things get hacked. And finally, we'll look to the future, stuff like AI attacks and ransomware. It's the whole shebang. And the whole point of all this, the big goal, it's to turn you into what we call a hard target. Now, this isn't just about learning a few tips and tricks. No, this is about totally rewiring the way you see and interact with the entire digital world. And you can see that transformation right here. We're going from being passive to being prepared, from being unaware to being totally aware. Instead of being a vulnerable user, you'll become resilient. You'll stop just clicking on things without thinking and start understanding the mechanics behind that click. You'll be able to see the risk. The superpower you're going to develop through all this is called cyber situational awareness. And this is the real game changer. It's the ability to think like a hacker in order to defeat a hacker. It's not just about using tools, it's about understanding the threats on a deep level. Okay, so as we wrap up this intro, I want to leave you with one final thought. It's really the core philosophy behind this whole course. It's a simple idea, but it's incredibly powerful. And it's this. Safety is not a product you buy. You can't just go out and buy the latest software and be done with it. Safety is a process you learn. It's a skill. It's about always learning, always adapting, and that is exactly what we're going to empower you to do. So the journey to becoming a hard target, it starts right now. I'm so glad you're here with us. I can't wait to really get started. See you in the next episode.